It's really neat to see the light turn on for those captive members when they're attending their first or their second risk control workshop. Risk control workshops, in my opinion, are where the rubber meets the road of a captive. When folks join captives and they realize that they can have much more influence on their claims and on their risk management, and all of that hits the road, the rubber hits the road at a risk control workshop where you bring in a lot of safety directors, a lot of risk managers to share ideas, share best practices, get to know one another, and then figure out how can we capitalize or how can we profit more off of this captive insurance program.
One key benefit that it's given to us is access to specialized knowledge from other companies. In attending risk control workshops, we're able to be in the room with safety directors, safety managers, and so these are people with highly specialized knowledge and experience who are willing to share what they do in their companies because they're interested in us succeeding too.
So if you have a workshop and there's 1,000 people there or there's 500 people there, it's really hard to do impactful small group sharing. But when you have 50 people or 60, 70 people, they can go to a manufacturing facility and hold a workshop there. They can do a lot of small group discussion that people are gonna have good takeaways. Knowing who you're in this captive with, knowing the other types of businesses and risk within the captive, it's much more achievable at a smaller scale. And I think that small group nature of the captive really brings out the peer group benefits.
Being the host at one of these risk control workshops was good in two ways. One is that in going through and presenting, it made us realize we do have some things going for us. I think you're so focused on what you're not doing or what you can do better that you tend not to take stock of what's going well and what you have put in place. So it's a great both sort of recognition of what you have done, but also a sense of there's a lot more work to do. It's just invaluable, to be able to talk to other people who have either similar safety risks, but taking a different approach, have multiple full-time people involved in managing it. It's just invaluable.
Lots of folks will join a captive for the financial benefits. The added benefits, the additional benefits that you get though is being part of this peer group of other folks whose interests are aligned to save money on their insurance just like you. And so what the risk control workshops do is bring together companies that are all aligned with the same common goal. And this is an opportunity, a venue for them to share ideas, best practices to become better companies and safer companies.